In 2009, a spark of innovation illuminated the digital world: Bitcoin. More than a new currency, it represented the dawn of a transformative era anchored by blockchain technology. This decentralized ledger wasn't just about financial transactions. It promised a future marked by unparalleled security, transparency, and autonomy. Bitcoin's emergence not only introduced a novel way of transacting, but also challenged global financial systems, heralding a shift toward autonomy. Venturing beyond Bitcoin, we encounter its core innovation: blockchain. Not merely a foundation for cryptocurrencies, blockchain provides security and privacy. Imagine a ledger spread not in one location but across a global network, safeguarding transactions from fraud and control, laying the groundwork for a decentralized, trustless world where technology empowers financial systems to operate without intermediaries. The cryptocurrency market has expanded beyond Bitcoin, championing innovation via smart contracts and decentralized finance, DeFi. These technologies are revolutionizing digital interactions and the broader financial landscape by facilitating complex, secure transactions and fostering an open financial ecosystem. As we delve into the practicalities of these advances, their potential to remodel our financial system becomes evident. Beyond speculation, they are revolutionizing financial transactions, real estate, and supply chains, enhancing efficiency and security. Cryptocurrencies and related technologies have made instant global transactions a reality, fostering financial inclusion. In real estate, smart contracts simplify sales and eliminate intermediaries, while in supply chains, decentralized finances streamlines operations. These applications underscore cryptocurrency's versatility, far beyond mere digital assets, providing us with a redefined financial ecosystem. Cryptocurrencies challenge traditional banking norms, heralding a decentralized future. Reflecting on Bitcoin's genesis, the evolution of blockchain, and subsequent innovations, we recognize these as mere beginnings. Embracing, educating, and engaging with this shift is essential for navigating the future of finance. Go to rhizome.ca and explore our latest online courses designed to help you get ahead in the world of cryptocurrency.